Welcome to Dream to Rome Travel Channel, where we review some of the best hotels from amazing locations worldwide. Today we shall be visiting the Egyptian resort of Sharm El Sheikh. Boasting an all-year-round warm climate, as well as some incredible natural beaches along the Red Sea coast, the North African resort has become a haven for holiday makers from all over the world. Sit back and enjoy some of the best hotels in Sharm El Sheikh. The first of the wonderful hotels we are going to feature is the multiple award-winning Sultan Gardens Resort. Here you'll find 5 outdoor pools as well as lots of activities for both adults and kids alike. A choice of 6 quality restaurants is available, all with top-quality dining, while a relaxing spa center is there to help you unwind. The resort contains 550 guest rooms, some of which have a private jacuzzi included. Second on our list is the quite magnificent Pickle Batros Laguna Club Resort. This adults-only resort is set on the beach and has a private beach area, as well as a large, delightful swimming pool. The interior of the hotel is very classy with eye-catching architecture all around the complex. Offering free Wi-Fi throughout the property, this hotel is the perfect place for a relaxing sunshine getaway. Our next visit takes us to the Rixos Hotel. Set on a gorgeous beach, Rixos is a fantastic hotel. Several swimming pools wind their way through the complex, displaying the crystal clear blue to match the skies. There's so many nice areas in and around this beautifully designed modern resort. There are several room options available, including superior rooms, deluxe rooms, family rooms, and junior suites, giving guests a choice to suit both budget and numbers in their party. Rixos provides a most glorious way to spend both days and nights. We now have a look at the Sunrise Arabian Beach Resort, which, as the name suggests, is located on a lovely Red Sea beach. Set among beautiful gardens and containing no less than 7 pools, this 5-star resort is the height of luxury. Each of the 421 rooms and suites are just stunning, both in size and design. And when you're feeling hungry, dine at one of their 7 excellent a la carte restaurants. Finally, unwind and watch the sunset at the Sunrise Arabian. Continuing our tour, we now drop in at the exclusive Royal Savoy Hotel. Created for guests who prefer to stay in a more intimate and secluded location, the Royal Savoy offers rooms of exceptional grace and comfort, all providing views over Tiburon Islands or the hotel's landscaped gardens. The rooms range in size from the generous standard rooms to the famous luxury suites. Indulge yourself at Royal Savoy. Another stunning location is the luxurious White Hills Resort. From the fantastic entrance via the foyer, you are met with some of Egypt's most stunning infinity pools. Bask in the outdoor sunshine in the various swimming pools available before exploring your spotless and modern accommodations in glorious white, which are a mixture of rooms and suites, and all to the highest standard. White Hills Resort promises and delivers a fantastic vacation stay. Our next stop on our Egyptian adventure takes us to the Sierra Hotel. Set among lush gardens. With a beachfront location and containing glistening swimming pools, the Sierra is in a central location of Sharm El Sheikh, close to all the town's amenities. The dining and dining areas are also of top quality value in this very highly rated hotel, which attracts repeat holiday makers, year after year. We now have a look at the pristine, clean Meraki Resort. a hotel bathed in white to complement the resort's 3 fantastic pools. It offers panoramic and glorious views of the Red Sea while having a cocktail from one of the hotel's well-stocked bars. Rooms are equally spotlessly clean as well as providing plenty of space and modern facilities, and certainly plenty of comfort. The hotel has entertainment at night, and overall, the Meraki Resort is a great place to enjoy a memorable holiday. Our penultimate accommodation we are going to visit is the excellent Solimar Nama Bay Hotel. It's a trendy 4-star hotel located at the heart of Nama Bay and only 10 minutes away from Sharm El Sheikh's International Airport. This hotel has an all-inclusive option and provides exceptional dining and contains 195 guest rooms. That includes standard, superior, deluxe, and family room options. Our last hotel on our exotic Egyptian tour brings us to the luxurious 5-star Stella di Mare Beach Hotel and Spa. This faultless hotel is elegant and charming and promises guests an unforgettable experience surrounded by luxury. Overall, this location is another high-standard hotel in Sharm El Sheikh. We hope you have enjoyed our brief tour of Sharm El Sheikh, and it's a place we would recommend for a future vacation. It has so much to see and do, and all bathed in wonderful North African sunshine. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel at Dream to Roam. It won't cost you anything, but it would mean the world to us. Thank you for watching.